Students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nursery class, welcome back once again to your English class. In the previous class, we did the revision of conversation questions. Now, in today's class, we take the revision of flowers names. So, now, who will tell me which flowers is this? Which flower is this? Who will going to tell me? Yes, this is rose. This flower is rose. Rose is red in color. There are different colors of rose also, like pink, white, yellow. And rose has a pleasant smell. So which flower is this? This is rose. Now next flower is lotus. Which flower is this? This is lotus. It is pink in color and it grows and floats on water. The lotus is a national flower. We can generally see lotus in pond. So which flower is this? This is lotus. Now who will answer me which flower is this? Who will tell me which flower is this? Yes, this is hibiscus. Which flower? Hibiscus flower. It is also red in color and it is called as China rose. It is also known as China rose. So which flower is this? This is hibiscus. Now who will answer me which flower is this? Which flower is this? Who will tell me the answer? Yes, very good. This is daffodil. Which flower? This is daffodil. Daffodil is yellow in color flower with central part shaped like a tube. It is yellow in color with central part shaped like a tube. So which flower is this? Which flower is this? This is daffodil. This is daffodil. Now, who will tell me which flower is this? Who can answer me which flower is this? Yes, this is jasmine. Which flower? Jasmine flower. This is jasmine flower. Jasmine grow in a bunch. It is generally white in color and has a pleasant smell. So which flower is this? Who will answer? Yes, this is jasmine. Very good. This flower is jasmine. Now who will tell me which flower is this? Can anyone answer me? Which flower is this? This is, yes, this is daisy. This flower is a daisy flower. A daisy flower is a flower with flat petals that surrounded around yellow center. This is round yellow center. It looks exactly like a sunflower. It looks like a sunflower. So which flower is this? This is daisy flower. Now who will tell me which flower is this? Which flower is this? Who will answer me? Yes, very good. This is dahlia. Which flower? Dahlia. This is dahlia. A dahlia is brightly colored flower with long thin petals in a shape like a ball. It has multi-layered petals and also of various colors. So which flower is this? This is dahlia. Which flower? Dahlia. Now, who will tell me which flower is this? Who can answer me which flower is this? Yes, very good. This is lily. Which flower is this? This is lily. It has beautiful large flower that can be white, yellow, red and purple or pink in color. It has a leafy stem and funnel shaped flower. So which flower is this? Which flower is this? This is lily flower. Now who will answer me? Which flower is this? Who can tell me the answer? Which flower is this? Yes, very good. This is sunflower. This is sunflower. It has yellow petals. It always look toward the sun and follow the sun from east to west. That is why its name is sunflower. So which flower is this? Sunflower. This is sunflower. Now who can tell me which flower is this? Who will answer me? Which flower is this? Yes, very good. This is tulip. This is tulip. Tulip belongs to lily family and the flowers are of cup shape. Tulip are very colorful and are of different colors such as red, purple, yellow, pink, orange and many more. So which flower is this? This is tulip. This flower is tulip. So children, you have seen I have revised the flower's name. Now who will answer me? Which flower is this? Yes, very good. This is rose. Who can tell me which flower is this? Good. This is lotus flower. Which flower is this? Yes, this is hibiscus flower. Which flower is this? Very good. This is daffodil. Now which flower is this? Who will answer me? This is jasmine. Now which flower is this? This is daisy. Who will answer me? Or who can tell me the name of this flower? Yes, very good. This is dahlia. Which flower is this? This is lily. Good. What is the name of this flower? Who can answer me? Yes, very good. This is sunflower. And which flower is this? This is tulip. So children, you have seen I have revised the names of these flowers. I hope you all will learn the names of these flowers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.